everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. Today is the launch of my card class to go. This is a card class to go project that I do with Wendy Cranford every single month, and we have some really fun projects for you guys. Basically, this is a class to go. You get to order all of your product and your projects. We send everything to you. We have 2 exclusive videos where we walk you through how to put together these projects, and then you also get a printable PDF tutorial that you can print out and keep. So let's go through the project so that you can see, and then I will share with you how you can order this. So this month we are using the Nothing Sweeter bundle and then also the Santa's Workshop bundle. So here are 2 of my projects, my 2 projects. It is a card that looks like this, and then this is a really fun treat bag. And you are going to learn how to create this because this is done with our flat gold striped bags, and you are going to learn how to turn one of those bags into this gusseted bag. Super simple. It's so fun. And then you'll be able to do that with any flat bag that you have, which is really nice. So these are my 2 projects. And then Wendy has created this card for you, which is a really fun card. Opens up like this. I love that. And then also a tag that goes with it. So let me share with you guys all the ways that you can order this because we have several different ways. They're going to be listed down below in the description no matter where you're at. If you're on Facebook, it's down below. If you're on YouTube, it's down below. And if you're on my website, it's down below. So check those out. The first way you can get this is you can just get the videos for $20. You can see us put together these projects, and you'll get the printed PDF tutorial as well. If you just want the kit, you don't want any of the stamped, you don't want the stamps or the dies or anything. You just want the videos, the PDF, and the kit. You can get that for $25. If you would like to get the kit, the video, the PDF, and then one of the stamp sets, either this stamp set right here or the Nothing Sweeter stamp set, that's only $32, and I'll just ask you when I email you which stamp set you want, and you can let me know. If you want both bundles of product, so that is this stamp set and the die set that coordinates. This is an amazing die set, you guys. It has all these stitched pieces. It has some stitched borders. This is definitely a die you're going to want to have on hand. It has a heart. You're going to be able to do Valentine's Day stuff with this. This is going to be one that you're going to want in your collection. So if you want both of the bundles of product, so you want the Nothing Sweeter bundle, and then you want the Santa's Workshop bundle, which is the dies and the stamp set, that's going to be $110, okay? And then we have something super fun this month. We're offering a mega bundle, and basically you're going to get free shipping, you're going to get free tax, okay, on what I'm about to show you, plus you're going to get the kit, the videos, and the PDF. And what you're going to get in the mega bundle, let me show you. You're going to get both bundles of product, so you'll get both stamp sets, the Nothing Sweeter stamp set, the Nothing Sweeter dies. You'll get the Santa's Workshop stamp set, plus the coordinating dies to go with it. I'm sorry, I don't have that product on hand, you guys. Then you're going to get 3 combo sets of blends to do your coloring. You'll get Cherry Cobbler, Smoky Slate, Old Olive, and then plus the Ivory blend markers. You'll get that. You'll get a Cherry Cobbler ink pad and a Garden Green ink pad along with a Memento Black ink pad. And that mega bundle is going to be $147. So that will be so fun. You'll get everything you need to stamp, to color, and then you'll get these beautiful projects. Plus exclusive videos, and then the exclusive PDF. So those options for ordering are below. If you need help with your order, please let me know. You can always email me, reach out to me, leave a comment, and I'm happy to help you guys. I hope that you guys are excited about these projects. They're so fun. And I love the way they turned out. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. I will be back on Friday to share another project with you guys. And until then, happy crafting.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.